teach you how to upload a short as well as add a thumbnail to it. The first thing you want to do, open your YouTube app, go to add and then shorts, and then select from your videos whichever short you want to add. For me, I'm going to be uploading this matoke recipe in my shorts. And then it brings you here. Then you want to click on done. You can see. The next thing, I just want to write something here. Like, have you ever tried Kenyan matoke, or have you ever taken, or have you ever eaten? Something like that. And then done. This is how it looks. I want to drag it all the way to the top. And then I also want to add a voice. Emma, Sophia, let me choose one.
Have you ever eaten Kenyan matoke?
Let's
Have you
try
ever
Emma.
eaten Kenyan matoke?
So yeah, select it, and then you tick in here where you have to write the title of your short. This is the title of my short. Yeah, discover authentic Kenyan matoke recipe. And then I also wanna add some hashtags, food, matoke, shorts, whatever you wanna add. And then at this point, I just wanna show you how to add the thumbnail to your shorts. You wanna click on edit. You wanna click on the edit on your left hand, you can see. And then it'll bring you to these choices. At this point, you wanna choose whatever picture or photo that appeals to you, that looks amazing. So I just chose this one, and then tick, just like that. And then I'm gonna change my visibility to public. You can see it's private, so click on visibility, put on public, and then go back. I also wanna select my audience, so select audience. It's not made for kids. Go back and upload your short. Simple. You can see our short is uploading at this point. And thank you all for sticking around. So yeah, we're almost done here. Yeah, finally our short is uploaded successfully. So yeah.
Have you ever eaten Kenyan matoke?
And you can see it has been listed on your shorts. So bye-bye. I will see you in my next one. Love you.